Hey, what's going on, creatures? Phenomenal Man here, and welcome back to Angry Birds Friends. I really love playing this game, and I really hope you guys are enjoying it too. Sorry, I was just moving my camera back a little bit. But I really hope that you guys are enjoying this thing too, as much as I am. Alright, let's go into the tournament, because I knew there was one level that I didn't finish. So, yeah, we're gonna get this level done. I should have seen those sooner. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, Skaboomy. Skaboomy boom. The boomer. The boomer. Ah! I'm gonna have to redo it. I am gonna have to freaking do it. Again. I might have to do this over and over again until I get it right. Are you serious? Snargy. That's Snarglebook. Alright, alright. Oh, yeah. Okay. Boom! Boom! Come on. Come on. Ah, come on. I know you hear the clicking sounds of my mouse. I know that because my mouse is like the loudest thing here. Besides my mouth. Hey! How y'all doing? No, I'm not gonna shout. 1:30 in the morning, and I'm not gonna end up shouting to wake up my parents. Or to wake up my mother. Actually, freaking. Ah, come on. Sometimes this game is hard to commentate over, I swear. Now my mouse is stuck. My mouse is stuck. My phone and other stuff are making noise. How dare it. I have my phone on silent so no one can hear it. Except me whenever it goes boom! Shaboom a die pan, paradise of the phone. Yeah! Reoccurring and reassuring. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Alright, we're gonna see if we can beat another 2-star level. Wait, this is 2 stars? Are you serious? I am nowhere even near Red's points. Or, Red's nowhere even near my points. Why is that a 2-star? This is a bad thing right now. That's happening in my life. Ah! Hush! Hush! I didn't mean to say hush. I meant to say oi. I meant to say oi. My single ladies, my single ladies, my single ladies. Chuck, can you fly? No. I want to fly away. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Da 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 dum dum dum. Funky town. Da 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 Funky town. Ba dee 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 da da Funky town. This is how we roll. Celebrate good times 318,430. Come on! Celebrate good times. Come on! It's a celebration. I'm 28th in the league. I am in the Diamond League, by the way. I've been playing Angry Birds for so many years. And I think it was just 2 years ago that they came up with this whole league thing. It's like the League of Nations, except this League of Angry Birds is better. This League of Angry Birds! Now, you see, if I was living in, like, my own apartment alone, then yeah, I would be shouting my heart out. But this is my place right now until I move out. So I have to be really, really quiet. Then again, I just closed my door, though, too. So I can be as loud as I want. No, I can't. Because my mother hears me screaming at like 3 in the morning. Be like, wow. I am sucking at this level. I don't like this level. I want to get away. I want to explode your face. I want to get away. I want to explode with a bomb. 'Cause I want to get away. Boom. Yeah, I don't know why I waited like 3 hours or more to go ahead and do a game after I made a vlog stating about my summer future and everything. Oh my gosh. Yay. Ugh. Boom. Boom. Ah. You are bad. Bad to the bone. Bad. I don't know why. A lot of songs will just pop up into my head and I will use. No. I am not a cheater. I don't use cheats on this. Not anymore, at least. I used to do it like crazy because I didn't really know what they were. But yeah, I don't use them. Aww. Ooh. That blew up nothing. Are you serious? Ooh. Now we're work in progress. My single ladies, my single ladies, my single ladies, my single ladies. No! No! I don't know why I'm hyped up on energy at like 2 o'clock in the morning and people are trying to sleep and I'm sitting here being all the loud that I can, or being all sorts of loud that I can be, however to pronounce that. And so yeah, my computer, I'm guessing, must be hungry because it was just rumbling. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, jokes at 2 in the morning. Not really good. Not really good. Matt, you need to improve more on your jokes. Ah! Ooh. Ah! No! Come on, that would have got me the victory for sure. Come on, Angry Birds, I swear. Sometimes I don't like this game. Sometimes it'll make me mad. Like Matilda, who just blew up right there. She ain't making me happy. Caw, 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 caw. No, that didn't do anything. And Bubbles, I think you're supposed to be the strongest one out of all of them. Now what's happening to you? You sucking too? You sucking a lot of fish? Because birds eat fish? I want to get away. I want to fly away. I want to get away. In slow-mo. In slow-mo. Oh my. Why is this hard? I swear. This freaking level is so hard. I can't even beat it without trying to beat it. Ah. Ugh. This thing wants to make me kill it. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Can we make some work in progress? If Bubbles does not... Bubbles screwed up again. Bubbles, you are screwed up in the head. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to send you away. It's best for everyone. Best for everyone. Best for everyone. Oh, the glory. No, not the glory. All the death. You know what? Screw it. I bet none of you guys wanted to see me fail at the tournament more and more and more in level 5. So, we're back in here. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get my camera freaking organized. This thing wants to act like a piece of crap. Alright, what did we do last time? No, I don't think it was Piggy Beach. Let's do a golden egg. Let's do this. Oh, I love this Angry Birds space one, I swear. Me and my brother have had a competition over it for years. Like, literally, I think it was maybe last year that I beat him. Because he had a score, and then I had a score, and then he beat my score, and I could not beat his score for like 7 years. And so that thing went on for a while, and then I eventually beat his score and became the ultimate victor of this Angry Birds space thing. True story, anyway. This is not a lie at all. Why would you be thinking that I'd be lying to you about Angry Birds? Why would you be thinking that? Really? I mean, that'd be a shame if you guys actually did think that I was lying to you, but I'm not. I'm serious. I am serious as a freaking uh as a freaking folktale writer. That's what I was thinking about. I just couldn't get even the slightest bit of name out of it. I had to sit there and guess, like, my brain does not work at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm sorry. I should be sleeping right now. But here's the thing. I want to sit down and I want to play Angry Birds. Alright, so you know what? We're going to end up skipping that. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do poached eggs. Apparently I did not get, more levels other than 21 unlocked. 21? But, yeah, so we'll go in. Well, I think we have to beat them all, crowned in number 1 anyway. I want to fly away. I want to get away. I want to get a life, have a life, live a life, be a dream. None is mean. I want to get a life, know what's right, have a dream, if you know what I mean. Grow up, see my future, don't know what it's like, all the departure. I don't know why I'm rapping, but I should probably stop now. You guys probably didn't want to hear me rap anyway. Ripped at the seams. I don't know. Hey, get ready to fly. No, I'm just kidding. Don't think I'm making fun of AJ Styles. I'm not. I love the Phenomenal One. Phenomenal One, my favorite WWE superstar ever. And always. Just like the charismatic enigma Jeff Hardy. I mean, I know I keep using his nickname a lot, the charismatic enigma. But it's true. He is an enigma. Are you serious? You freaking serious right now? Boom. I am serious as Georgia Pitbulls right now. Wait, why would I say Georgia Pitbulls? I want to get away. Hey, guess what? I want to fly away. There we go. That works. Does that work? Nope. It does not help me beat my father. Boom. This makes me a no good, freaking arrogant Angry Birds player at almost 2 o'clock in the morning. It's 1:30. And I am sucking a lot. Moving on. We're just doing level 6. My single ladies. Whoa! I forgot that was something that I could do. Forgot I can launch high. I have a diamond slingshot, but I don't use it much because that thing will send you flying at an instant rate of freaking who knows how many miles per hour. My goodness. Oh my gosh. We will rock you. Oh wow, I came in first? I was the only one who scored a 40,000 on that? Holy crap. Alright, we're gonna move right ahead. Come on, let's keep this up, Red. Let's keep this up. I know I'm sorry that I bored you guys with the tournament. I just wanted to show you guys what it was like. And I wanted to at least beat one level with you guys. Because like I said, it's not just me who's playing this. You guys are there with me. Oh, I'm in second place. I'm in second place. This is my friend who I have to beat. Alright, come on. Yeah, let's go story mode. That is not good. Wait. Oh, I did beat my record. 33,000, 43,000, 53,000. Yeah. Catching up. Oh yeah. Just keep up that full-fledged attack. Full-fledged attack, and then we got this. We got this. No, that's sucking. We don't want to suck. We want to win. No, come on. We did so good. You know what? Screw it. I'm using this diamond slingshot. Freaking helps. Or not. I need to aim. No. You suck. No. I don't want to use cheats. I'm not a cheater. Mm. Darn it. Ugh. Why is it that whenever I actually get a good score, I can't beat that person? Again. Switch back to the jingle. Switch back to the Santa Claus slingshot. Yes! Here we go! Here we freaking go. I thought we had it. No! That was really good. And, yeah. Again, I screwed up. I don't want to screw up. I want to win. I want to win. Like that. No. Fine then. We just moved on. There we go. This is something we could do. Possibly. Yes. Oh. Oh. Ah, no, I did not beat my mother or my father. It's funny how everybody's better than me at these story modes. It is absolutely freaking funny. I suck at these story levels. I literally do. I hate these story levels. Sometimes. Alright. Good Mike. Alright. Come on. No, I need something destroyed. I need something destroyed, in order for Mario to come to work. He needs money. And Red, you're the only one who can provide for him. Because you know Mario really well. Or not. Apparently you're disowning your best friend. Why would you do such a thing? Red, don't you understand? Mario needs a job. He can't just keep having a job being a plumber running around all day. He has to get some work done. Some heavy duty work like you guys. I don't know what I'm even talking about. I'm just saying some random crap. Oh, Oh, no, I want something destroyed. I'm not gonna take a loss and end up just being in the same spot. That's not gonna work either. You know what? Fine, fine. It wants to be that way. Ugh. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right on course. Right on course. We beat everyone. We beat everyone. 36, 46, 56,800. Here we go. Crown yourself king at the top of that mountain. Now this is something that we gotta get right here. We gotta get points like that. It's always the easy levels that are so good, but it's the little bit more challenging levels that are making it hard. I don't know why, I don't know how, but we gotta focus. We gotta focus and win. Ooh, we have a pretty good score. Even though it just ranks me to fourth, but still, we have a pretty good score overall. Yeah, let's see how far we can go. Crap, I thought I was gonna get it. Oh, yeah. No, I don't want that same thing. I thought I beat it a little bit more. Ah. Ugh. Come on. No. Why won't they follow the way I want them to? I have it set in the correct and perfect angle. It's just not falling. It's like a freaking leaning tower of Pisa that won't fall. No! I don't want to end up with less than my score. I need to beat my score in order for me to win. Alright. That's not even enough either. That's just way less. Fat Boy says everything for less. Come on. Alright. Oh. Yes! 50, 60, 70,000. I'm at the top. I'm at the top. I don't care. I will be ending the video here soon anyway. Next level is the last one we're going to be doing for the night. On the roost. Boom. Alright. Come on. Come on. You're starting to scare me. You're starting to scare me. No, not really. This level's starting to bore me is what it is. Feed me more. Alright, we'll see. Can we catch up? Can we end up being in first? Could we? Oh, yeah! Yeah! Yes! Okay. Alright. Oh. Oh! I beat everybody! I thought I had to beat one of my friends, but I didn't. I beat everyone. Okay. Well, then I'm going to leave this episode here. And that concludes it for this episode of Angry Birds, friends. Let me just say that was awesome. Getting back into that and playing it again after, what was it, 2 weeks of not doing it? But I just want to see what new things I'm going to be doing and stuff, and I I told you guys last week that I was going to be starting a new series of Ricochet Kills 2. But that won't be posted till I believe Monday. On this channel, so be prepared for that coming out on Monday. And I can just sit on blab, but it's 1:45 till 2, and I want to get some sleep. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you liked it, aim the target to shoot that like button. Leave a comment for anything else you guys want me to do, and I'll be happy to do them. And I thank you guys for watching. I'll see all you creatures in the next video. I'm out.